the private sector because sorry.
To say that there are lots of workload because and if sir मेरा तो नहीं हो रहा.
Hello, good morning friends. Good morning. How are you? Good. I'm good, and today we are going to play a debate. There are two teams, A and B. And today's topic, after marriage, girls should do job or not. You can see many girls are there. You can see boys. So today let's see who will speak better, who's a trading girl and boy. And for what are you supporting?
Girls should not do job after marriage.
Okay, girls should not do a job after marriage. You are going to support. And you?
Girls should do job after marriage.
Okay, so my dear, are you ready to enjoy this video? Because today they will fire in English. So let's start.
Okay, so good morning guys.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Good.
Yeah, I'm also good. So today we are playing a debate game in which I'm in the favor of girls should not do job after married. Okay, why? Because behind it have a different types of religion, lots of the reasons. We can say that because after the marriage, the girls have a responsibility to hold the house, to managing the house in a very well way. If I talking about the other things like after the baby, the baby will be born, then she has a great responsibility to hold to manage the educations of the child, because she has a power to teach that power, teach her children, because in the modern era we have seen the lots of the things like the children are not behaving in a good manners, their behaviors, their education, their attitude is not good. So it's a responsibility of the humans to take the responsibility to teach her children in a very well manners, like in the behavior, in the good way, and the other things also. So that is my points. So let's.
So good morning all of you.
Good morning.
So I would like start from my points. So after marriage we should do job, because if we will not do job, so how can we present ourselves? There is nothing. It means you are nothing. You are not doing job. You are nothing. What am I? For the 25 years, like the for 28 years, our parents read in our previous time. So what will happen? They spend lots of money on our education. They made a good human. So what kind of the activities will be waste if we will not do the job? So we should do job, because it's a responsibility, it's a self-respect. So like someone saying that after marriage girls should not do job. Why you are saying that after marriage you can take the responsibility of home? It's not a particular things that girl always take the responsibilities of the home. Boy and the girls both are take the responsibility of a home. So it doesn't matter. It never think like it's not a solution. Girls should not do job after marriage. According to me, we should do job, because and sir, you are saying that after the marriage when baby will be born, so on that time, so you know very well government provide the 6-month maternity. According to the maternity act, government provide the 6-month leave. So on that time, after the 6 month, a girl always can do the job. It's a very important for the girl's career and the baby career and the whole home responsibility. So there are lots of like the servants. You can keep a servant at your home and you do lots of things, because there are lack of people who cheat to the person, but there are lots of believable person in the whole kind of the words. So everything has a solution. There is nothing solution like after the marriage girl should not do a job.
So good morning all of you.
Good morning.
So today my topic is girls shouldn't do a job after the marriage, because I have some points, not lots of points, because you know that like girls one type of the like we can say equal to God. So that's why reason after the marriage like girls has a very great opportunity, because after the baby, because it is very great, because suppose that my parents also after like my parents age is 90 above, so that's why reason it is very good responsibility to girl, because girls is not one type of the girl is one type of the my partner. So that's why reason I'm blindly believe to girl. But suppose that I take to one care like we can say servant, so servant not care to particularly my baby. So that's why reason, because girls should after the marriage do job. So you know that like girl also become a one type of the servant. So that's why reason it is very big part of the like a life. So that's why reason, because I am very capable man in my life. So that's why reason I earn lots of money, I'm fulfilled. So every dream for my like wife. So that's why reason so girls shouldn't do job after the marriage.
Okay, so good morning, all of you. Good morning. Okay, I'm supporting girls should do job after marriage. So I wanna say one thing. You all are saying we should not do job. So girls have one of the power, and we all are say girl is a Shakti. Why we say? Because girl can do everything, each and everything. And we are in the sea also in the present time. Who those are doing work, girls. So they do everything. They get up early and they make their breakfast, lunch for their kids and for their in-laws also. And then she goes to their office. Means I can be say she is handling everything. I can say if my husband will be salary is a 5,000, 10,000, so how I will live in that money? Because we all are know about inflation is too much high. How I can be live in that much money? So I should be do work on the private sector, because we should do work, because it's I can be say if before marriage any girl doing any study, so after the marriage she can be do anything in their life. Thank you.
So good morning. Good morning. So I am supporting girls should not do the job. Maybe the first reason is, ma'am, you said about the 5,000 salary. Maybe each and every husband, the salary is not fixed. Maybe sometimes these few people has a very handsome salary. So with the help of this salary, we can easily adjust, and maybe we can also control our, as you can say, waste purchasing things. Maybe in homes, most of the persons purchasing the waste materials, they can't usable in our whole life. So maybe just like makeup and any type of, as you can say, waste things, it is not good for the us. And maybe we can take very useful things. And maybe you said about the servant, so maybe little bit I am agree, but maybe when the kid spend most of their time with the servant, so the behavior of the kid, it is very rude towards to our parents. So maybe this is not good. And when you are talking to our kids in a very politely, so maybe the kids, they didn't scare to use. The reason is you didn't spend most of their times with our kids, to spend most of our time in the office. So that is the reason the kid maybe will be going in a very bad path, and they will choose as a bad path. So in the childhood, especially in childhood, the kids most of the attached with our parents. When they are attached with our parents, so the future of the kids is very bright.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning. First of all, I would support girls should have to do job after the marriage. First of all, you don't have any right to say that girls should not do job after the marriage, because you are not a girl, we are a girl, and we have to decide we have to do job or not. And the second thing is that for example, if husband is not able to do job, if husband is paralyzed, something like this kind of the situation will happen in the marriage, after the marriage. So what the option is that government girls should have to do job, and girls also take the hold any kind of the things, and we should have to do job. And the second thing is that the self defense, if we are doing job, so we feel confidence, we think that we are the self defenders girls. And the third point is that after the doing job, we get a lot of experience, which you can't provide you that kind of the experience. So that's why we should do job. And another thing is that if you are saying that if girl is not able to do job, it means you are questioning to yourself, because you are not providing that kind of the education to the child. It's only the responsibility to the girls. You all are saying nonsense things, and I think we have a right to do job or not. You are not deciding we have to do job or not. That's it.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
I hope you all are well. Yes. Okay, I am supporting that. My team is totally agree, because girls should not do job after the marriage, because there are lots of reasons behind. Firstly, ma'am, as you mentioned that if boy salary is maybe 5,000 and 10,000, at that moment I can say that your family will not give permission to marriage with that person. And second thing, ma'am, as you mentioned that after the marriage, after the tie the knot, maybe girl represent yourself. If your hobby is good, at that time I can say that you can't represent yourself, because with the help of, there are lots of reasons behind that. Firstly, I want to say that there are lots of workload, because after the tie the knot, maybe there are lots of responsibility come on the girls. That's why. And firstly, if you have lots of workload in office, that time you can't give your 100% to your hubby or maybe your guardian. And apart from it, there are lots of reasons behind that. Firstly, I want to say that in UP, the last month
Okay, so good morning to all of you. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I'm also good. So my name is Nandini and today I'm in the favor of the girl should do after the marriage. You know what, that is like most important to every girl because like girls have their own responsibilities, girls have their own means career, they have own. So like every time we like not to support to others because you know what, like we can fulfill our all the desire because it is really important to each and every girl. Like suppose that like if we are not able to do outside jobs, like so every time we cannot feel relaxed. You know what, in the home we are not see our comfort zone. So like every girl should do a job after the marriage. You know what, like since our childhood, so our like parents like take care all about ourselves because like they giving the education in a very good manner. And like why why the boys say that the after the marriage like we should avoid these kinds of things. So I don't think so. Like it is really important because you know what, our parents like when they like support to us in every time. So why we drop our plan after the marriage? You know what, like every girl have their own desire and every girl needs some kind of comfort zone. So by the job we can like boost our experience and by the job like we can boost everything. You know what, like suppose that like if we have a like if we born a children, so on that time like we need some kind of money to like to providing the good education to our children. So it is really important to do a job after the marriage because like money is really important to survive in a very good life. So that's the reason like we should do a job after the marriage. If you like this video, so please subscribe and